Good morning. I'm very excited because something magical came in the mail yesterday. A finished copy of the Creativity Project. So I've had some advanced looks at the Creativity Project. I had the advanced reader copy, I've seen the document, all the pieces came to me, but this is the very first time I get to see the actual book, like the real live book that is going to sit in classrooms and homes and libraries, like the real thing. It's right here. I'm so excited to open it. But first, gotta teach.
Look around, what do you see? Books, books. Are you ready to read? Gather round, what do you hear? Books, books. Open up your ear. I'll read to you, you sing to me, books.
That was a really great morning. We finished a read aloud. And finishing a chapter book read aloud it's such a special thing. Like you work so hard to go through a book and the kids love it, and then you read a book like Holes and not only do they love it, but it blows their mind. I had probably half the class like come to me and say that was the best book I have ever read. And it's just so good. There's a moment, spoiler alert, at the end, towards the end, where Zero figures out that, I guess I should say Hector figures out that Stanley's name is on the suitcase, and all of these different threads from the entire book came together, and their minds were completely blown, and they were gasped, and like they just were all talking to. It was one of the greatest teaching moments of the entire school year. It was amazing just to see that, for them to be able to experience what reading can do. Marvelous. Okay, it's time to open the Creativity Project. I'm so excited and nervous and anxious and giddy. All right, let's go over there and do it. So my editor, Susan Rich, was in New York City last week, and she said she saw copies of the Creativity Project, and so she mailed me one. And I'm 98% sure this is the Creativity Project. This would be such a weird video if this was a different book sent from Hatchet in New York City. Let's find out. I'm so excited. This is really, thank you for sharing this moment with me. Oh, it is my book. It says Happy Valentine's Day. Colby, look at this beautiful book. Susan Rich is amazing. Ooh, and it's got it's a Sophie Blackall card. It's got a little lighthouse there. I'm so excited. This is just amazing. I could see the case. Okay, like there have been a lot of moments in this process where people asked if it has felt real. Like when you sign the contract, when you have a manuscript done, when you have an arc in your hands. It feels real now. Like this is the book that's going to sit in schools and in libraries and in children's hands. Like this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this book. So that moment was interrupted by someone who works with one of my readers coming down to share an amazing story of one of my readers who was able to do some things today as a reader that he's never done. And I can't think of a better thing to happen while I'm looking at this book that I helped create than for someone to come to my classroom and to celebrate a reader with me. And it just seems really fitting. That was just perfect. Like I'm just so full of joy right now. Okay. Back to the Creativity Project. I'm just so happy that my student was able to do that. Pumped up. And we work so hard with these kids, and when it clicks, like when things start to happen, there's just nothing like it. All right, so here it is. Here's the Creativity Project. The spine. Oh, the back. It's so different than the arc back. Can you see that? I love the colors. And one thing that I was super excited about and I really wanted, I wasn't sure if I was going to have any say, I wanted a cool case. And so I got to think, we had all these colors. It was like painting a house. And then we had like a stamp. So I'm really anxious to see what's under here. Oh, it's so cool. It's exactly what I wanted. It's exactly what I hoped. So check this out. It's a pencil. I said, oh please, can I please have an emoji pencil? That's all I wanted. Like, look how sweet that is. Because this is going to fall off somewhere. Like, this is pretty inviting, but this is going to fall off. And some kid someday is going to find this. And like, book looks like something I can make me want to make something. I love it. This is a real book. Hey, this is the Creativity Project. It's a real book. Oh, look at that. Holy smokes. Look at this. 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 Look at this right here. Can you see that? Oh, it's me. I'm so excited for this book to enter the world. I am so thankful for all these amazing creators who helped make it possible. I'm so thankful for Molly O'Neill, my agent, who helped just me chase this dream. I'm so thankful for Susan Rich for taking a chance on me and this crazy idea and for helping us refine it and make it what it is today. And I'm just so excited for readers to get a chance to check it out. I'm so thankful to everyone who helped make this a reality. It's perfect. It's perfect. And it's time for it to go away from the team and go to the readers. I just can't believe it's a real book. Okay. Wow. Creativity Project. If you're interested in buying a copy, that would be cool. You can find a link down in the description of this video. It would mean a lot to me, and more importantly, I think it would help some readers in your life. Ah!